Clevenger and the Francis Chamber Orchestra, Jana Drola conducting Mozart's Rondo for horn and orchestra. It's 11:39, and it's the next to last day of our condensed fall membership drive. It's been going well. If you've already given, thank you so much. And if not, please take a few minutes to give to support WCRB. It's the only way great classical music stays on the radio. All gifts are welcome online at classicalwcrb.org or call 888-995-9272. I'm Jeffy Jacobs with Mark Cohen.
All right, here we go. All hands on deck. We've got 20 minutes left to get your gift match 2 for 1. How cool is that? Hey, here's how it works. You give $100, and a very generous group of WCRB members will donate an additional $200 to WCRB. They're encouraging you to give during this very short membership drive. Do not miss your only chance to triple your gift and pay for 3 times as much of the music. Just about 20 minutes left to go. Get that call started now. 2 for 1 match in effect for a limited time only. 888-995-9272 or online classicalwcrb.org.
And when you support WCRB at $10 a month, we will thank you with our truly wireless earbuds. And this is a limited offer for today. Normally you would have to give $180 to get the buds. Newer phones don't have a headphone jack, so our wireless earbuds are the answer. So sign up as a sustaining member at $10 a month and ask for the wireless earbuds. You can also give $120 all at once. The deadline to get them is 7. And this is your last chance to get the earbuds and get your gifts tripled. Please support your listening at classicalwcrb.org or call 888-995-9272.
I want to send a big thanks out to Emily out in Haverhill. Thanks so much for checking in with us today. Also, Irina out in Marlborough, thank you for doing your part. Also, Michelle in Weymouth. Michelle writes to us that WCRB is my calm in a stressful workplace. Thank you all for taking the time to show your support for WCRB and for leaving your comments. Have we heard from you yet? A special time to get involved with this 2 for 1 match. We're counting on you right now to help us earn this matching money. 888-995-9272 or online classicalwcrb.org.
And your gift is being tripled, but only for the next 19 minutes. Give $10 a month on a sustainer plan, and it becomes a total of $360. Where does that extra money come from? A generous group of WCRB supporters. They've lined up to give extra money as a way of encouraging you to support your future WCRB listening. But this incredible 2 for 1 match ends in 18 minutes, so please donate now. classicalwcrb.org or 888-995-9272.
This is the WCRB Fall Membership Drive, and it's a short one. We've condensed our full 7-day membership drive down to just 3 days to bring you more music at a time when we all need it the most. So here's the catch, though. We cannot cut our goal by 2/3, so we just need to get it done a little bit faster. You can help make short work of our goal by making our short drive work. So that counts on you doing your part right now and going to the phone 888-995-9272 or online. Look for the donate button at classicalwcrb.org.
And thank you so much. You've already joined us today and made your contribution, like Gail in Wilson. She says, I love having a local classical music station that offers an oasis of peace from all the noise in everyday life. Thanks so much, Gail, for your donation and your kind words. We love being here for you. You can be here for WCRB with your donation now. classicalwcrb.org, 888-995-9272.
And a reminder, don't forget, we have the WCRB wireless earbuds, Bluetooth enabled. They come in their own little charging case. You carry them around. They work as a pair. They work one at a time. They'll work on your phone, your tablet, any Bluetooth enabled device. Here you go, though. $10 a month as a sustainer gets you those earbuds. If you prefer a one-time gift, that's fine too. $120 gets you the WCRB wireless earbuds. Normally it's $180, but today only $10 a month as a sustainer or a one-time contribution of $120. Ask for the WCRB wireless earbuds when you give us a call, 888-995-9272 or on Facebook.